Right. See if this works. That song's great. This one. Right. That'll count as a warm-up, not a real set. So today, doing lower body, but my knees are sore from yesterday from squatting, so it's mostly hamstring stuff. So I've already done some calves, now seated hamstring curls. Just going to gradually work heavier up to working sets. I don't know what I did. So last time up to 40 for 16, so I'll go up to 50. I managed one set of 12 for 50 last time, so I'll try that. I think that was 18 or 17 with 50. Last time was 12, so that's good. It's probably a bit light, so I'll go up for the next one. And then I'm still going to do some legs, but probably just leg extensions, or maybe leg press, I don't know. Try 57 and see how that is for the next one. I was apprehensive about setting up the camera and the mic, but I don't think you can even see anyone else anyway. There's only a few other people in here and you can't even see them. And to be fair, if anyone asked, I'd stop anyway. Right, 57 this time. Just 12. That's better though. I'll do that again for another one or two and see how that goes. So yesterday came in with the intention of doing full lower body session, but I forgot that I had an appointment like 40 minutes after I'd started, like 40 minutes after the time I'd started, but I was already like 25 minutes in, so I didn't really have time to do a full session. So instead I just did squats to a bench, did bodyweight ones, and did ones up to 5 kilos, which is good, but after that today my knee's just aching a lot, so they're not too bad. I haven't taken any painkillers, so I won't be doing as much volume as I was going to, but I'm still doing some every day anyway. Right, see how this one goes. So 12 is the target. That's the last set I put, set 12 at 8.5. So that means I should have been able to do 13. So even with some fatigue, I should be able to get 12, hopefully. Whoops. Well, that was horrible. Just 10, and then a drop set to 40. Right, next, I think this is either leg press or leg extensions. I think I might do leg extensions first, just because I've already got well, no, I'll do leg press first, just because it's heavier, and see how that goes. And then, if that's alright, then I'll do leg extensions. So let's have a look and see where I can set you up so that I'm not bothering everyone. Is that going to work? There you go. That should be fine. Might just have to move it. So, check there's no weight on it. Yeah. Right. So what I've been doing is putting the safeties on like halfway, so I can't accidentally go too deep. I can just about do reps to this point. Right. That seemed really deep. I don't know if I've got it set up the same as normal. Nope. That'll be why it feels so horrible. That's it. Let's see how this goes. What are you fixing? I thought you were fixing something. Looked like a toolbox.
No, I'm just putting legs back on the step.
Ah, fair enough. The beard, the mic.
It's a good idea.
Is that in the way?
No, it's fine.
Nearly went too far with this. Nearly didn't set the safeties. That one wasn't even set, was it? Excellent. That one's set though, so it's fine.
Yeah, I've seen you think about the angle, that's quite impressive.
The angle?
About how far
Oh,
back you go.
yeah, so it's at, I think it's about 120 now. The physio, he basically said I won't ever get full range because my hamstring and calf will get in the way. So he was like, when your hamstring and calf are touching, count that as full range. Works for me. But it's slowly improving.
Yeah, that's impressive. For what, 4 months?
I think 4 or 5 months now, yeah. It's supposed to be, yeah, it is quite fast. It's supposed to be 2 years to be like back to normal. So obviously I'm nowhere near normal, but I'm kind of thinking like, if I can squat just like a barbell by the end of the year, full depth though, then I'll just add like 5 to 10 kilos a month and just be real strict. Because after a year at 10 kilos a month, that'll be back to 180 if I started with 20. So then that's like strong enough for normal life. And then,
That's strong enough for normal life.
well,
For your normal life.
yeah. I can't be benching more than I can squat, can I? Right. Two done. I don't know how many I'll do that feels better than I expected it to. Leg press, 4 sets. So this is, I think it's 60 empty. I just count as 1. This time, I'm going to try to do it 5 seconds down. Right. This is definitely the best time to come if I'm filming. There's no one here. Was it? 20? Oh wow. I mean, great for business. Have people started sharing equipment yet? Yeah, that's good. It's better for the atmosphere. Yeah. I mean, the gym's not really big enough for people not to be nice. You should just kick them out, like, and see what you're doing. All right. Yeah, it'll be good, especially if you're going to do classes and stuff. All right. 5. 1, 2. Come on. That is horrible. Trying to do 5 seconds down. I don't know if that was. Oh, excuse me. I know, it's a nice feeling to have. Not had it for so long. It's easier to just leave it going instead of stopping and starting and editing. Yeah. I was trying to do 5 seconds down because it's not quite heavy enough, but I don't want to put more weight on until I can go far. I'm going to play your game now with the occluded ones. You know what you were doing the other day? Just because my knees are knackered from that now. Like where the screws are. So I'm going to do it so I can use not much weight. It's the whole point of the blood flow restriction training, isn't it?
Smaller players,
Like 1s and 2s.
I think so. The 1.25 and 2.5.
That's good.
We get some smaller ones, so you can get something like 0.5.
Why?
Micro players.
I've got a bunch of them in the garage and I keep putting them away on like a shelf that's out of the way, and so it doesn't get in the way of me getting normal plates, and they keep reappearing. I'm like, who's using them? I'm like, oh, Rach, of course. Like, she trains in there, so she uses them. I just like keep being like, I'm going mad. These plates keep reappearing. That'd be good. Smaller than what you've already got.
Yeah, like the 2.5s and 5s, like me.
No, it's just the most of the small ones that I already got. We had an issue where the last week we were on the chair, which we were using constantly, and then obviously Emma came in and she was like, why don't you use those? She was like, I don't, obviously I can't do 5s, but there's no 2.5s left.
I see. So she basically just couldn't use them.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. We had 2 of all the weights up to like 20 kilos, just because that's what you and like as well, most of the people that are using more weight than that are used to the gym, so like happy to share. Whereas if you're using less, not obviously you can have used the gym for ages, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's not as sort of widely accepted, is it? Like smaller.
Well, I think it's more like if you're a complete beginner,
Yeah.
you might not feel comfortable with sharing the weights,
Yeah, yeah.
which means,
Probably might be to be fair at the beginning for being like
yeah. I always like make an effort if I'm going to speak to someone or someone in the gym to like make your face look smiley and not like gym face. So they're not like.
I know I tend to have a sort of a red face, so like usually I'm like
Yeah.
and I'm like I click and I'm like, oh shit, I'm in the gym.
I used to shave my head, but still have the beard, and so I'd be wearing like I had camouflage joggers as well, a white wife beater. Rachel's like, you look like the racist guy in every movie. Like, right, yeah. Stop wearing that outfit. And I used to have like black, they look like boots. The trainers like, stop that. Not very welcoming at the gym when you come in. Like,
Like, oh my god, what am I doing?
yeah. Seven, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. So that's the first time I've done that, and it feels horrible. Good on the knees, horrible on the quads. I think that was 100. I'm going to do it again, but a bit heavier. Look at all that swelling. It's all good fun though. Let me see if you can actually see what I'm doing. Looks like it. Alright, I actually think that was a bit too light. I did 100 in total and it felt horrible, but like it was just lactic acid. There wasn't like, could have probably just sat there and kept going all day. But I'd rather start light and do more. Yeah. Have you tried it on your legs yet? No. Something that they did in some of the research was get people to just walk wearing them. And they made gains. This is people who don't train though. But they made progress as if they'd been lifting weights, just walking wearing them. Just walking with them on. I was thinking about cycling with them on. But I can't find the other wrap to wrap both legs separately. That's why I had to wrap it around both. And you can't really cycle with one thing tying both legs. No, you're alright. Yeah. I don't know if they would fit my legs anyway. I'm not like, even though they're skinny, like for me, like. Yeah. Bye. I didn't realise she was in here. I saw her in earlier. Do his hair and the retired, I'd assume, gentleman.
Yeah, he's ace.
Is he?
He lifts hard,
Yeah, so I'm training like properly. Was you around the other day? There's the young lad. Apparently he normally comes in with like someone who's like a support worker or something. He was here with his mum. Try him real hard, and it was like he'll do well. He just needs.
Yeah, so she's one of the PTs that started here.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, he does.
Try really, really hard. Like on the lat pull down, he had on, I don't know, 50, 60 kilos or something, and like he could barely move it, but like he was really trying. It's like, it's nice to see. Like obviously, like you don't want him to hurt himself, but at the same time, it's like it's good to see someone like just trying. Yeah. Wow.
And he's there. He's just like wrecking it out.
That's it. I really like that leg press. I can't imagine who would use the bottom safety on it though.
I
Can you get that deep? Right. Because so even doing that there, it's getting to the point of where my heels are starting to come up, even with like putting maximum effort in. And like my ankles are tight, but they're not that tight.
Yeah, I have to put on the bottoms, put in middle is.
It's too. Oh, okay. I suppose. Yeah.
My legs are really long.
Yeah.
My legs are stupidly long.
Yeah.
It's really annoying because my torso's like really short and I have a really long leg.
Do you have the seat pad all the way down?
I usually have it further up.
I find when it's higher up, I end up just hitting my belly
Yeah.
instead of actually being able to do the rep. But then with being short, sometimes on the machines you just can't get deep. You know, like the end range is like there, but that one there's still loads of room to go, and I'm only at like there with it, which is pretty good.
I do quite like it. I never really bothered. I wanted to get a hack squat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, we got a hack squat and leg press for the gym, and realised after about a month that the hack squat was useful for like 3 people, because the empty hack squat is like 60 kilos, so is the leg press. But most people are used to having that compression on their back, so they're just not strong enough for the empty thing. Whereas for the leg press, most people can do that, even if they're only going like, I know there's no like safe or not safe, but like if the leg press goes wrong, you hit the safeties. If the hack squat goes wrong, it's just like, just get squashed. Yeah.
I used a hack squat, but it was like just like on your lower back.
Oh, okay.
So it was like,
Oh, so you like sat in it? Yeah, those ones look good.
yeah, that was awesome. Like, you got a really good.
Tell you,
Different.
one machine I really like is a pendulum squat. They're great.
I do love the Primal V1,
Yeah.
and
Where would it go?
well, it'll be alright once all that stuff's out there.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, because it'll go in there. I want to get a pendulum squat, not belt squat.
Belt squat. Belt squats are great.
Yeah. Primal V, I've used the Primal one as well,
Yeah.
and it shits off like it's nice. It's really nice.
I don't know what the primal one looks like. Is it wide or is it long?
It's quite wide.
It's the wide one. Yeah.
It's quite wide. I used it because I didn't even realise it was a Primal one until I'd seen it on their Insta, they were like showing all the machines. And I had a look on like best leg machines I've ever seen on the
Belt Scott's great, yeah.
So I had a look and they're not that bad either. There's one on sale at the moment. And,
I've used the Strength Shot one. I like that, but it's really, really long.
hamstring.
No Strength Shot.
Alright.
All their stuff is real heavy duty, but it's the same thing of like, even just empty, it's hard for most people, but then it's built to take a lot of weight. You know, like, you'd be fine, but like, because you get lots of like teenagers, most of them aren't going to be able to use it empty. This is better. My legs feel like they're juddering. Oh, that one is. That's it. First time leg training just felt like training. 100. I did 50 and then I just kept going until I couldn't like do it in straight sets. Swollen now though. Look at that. All that's fluid. It happens so that's the thing. Apparently that takes like up to 4 or 5 years to go. Just constantly swelling. Yeah. That was good though. I feel like I've done something, which is nice. Yeah. Yeah, it was good. I want to do more, like, I want to squat and do more leg extension and everything, but I'm like, just see if I can walk tomorrow.
Next week we'll get 260 on bar.
260, yeah. I think that's the thing, like, I think I could squat the bar to a bench, but the problem is, like, I've got range of motion, and then the strength stops, and then I've got a bit more range of motion, and then I don't have any more. So, like, if I get to where the strength stops, I could keep going, and then force myself to go too far, and then snap. Maybe snap, I don't know. It goes from, like, stretching to uncomfortable to painful to please stop or it's going to snap. And so it's like I wouldn't want to accidentally go too far. And then logically as well, I'm like, I don't want to get super strong just at the top half of the range of motion, then accidentally end up too deep because I'm thinking that I'm strong enough and really I'm not.
Yeah, and like thinking, oh yeah, no, it's fine, I can do this weight, and then going the whole way down.
Yeah. And like, even pretend these were completely normal, it'd still take me 6 months to get strong again, regardless. So like, what's the rush? I keep having to tell myself what's the rush because I want to rush. Yeah. That's part of the reason of doing this as well. It's like, so I'm accountable to future me. So I've been looking through my old videos, trying to find a video where I said my knees were aching or my knees were hurting or something before the competition. It's like, see if there was warning signs. There's like a what? So I'm like, actually, I did know there was something wrong. I can't remember that, but I've been looking for it.
Yeah, but if it's there, then you
If it's,
accountable for it, can't you?
yeah,
Like, I've told myself I can't
yeah,
watch it.
like future me
Yeah.
will look back at it like, what an idiot.
Yeah. Instead of just being like, no, there were no signs there at all.
Yeah. I think that's me going to be done anyway. I'll turn this off and see what happens.